Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install Pandas in Visual Studio Code Editor. First, I'm going to open Visual Studio Code Editor inside new folder. So create a new folder where you want to have your project files. Now double click on it to open the folder. Now inside the folder, right click. Now you can click this open with code and it will launch the Visual Studio Code Editor for you. In case if you don't have this option, I'm going to show you how to open from command line. So open your command line window. Here navigate to the folder you have created. Now after you navigated to the folder you have created, type code space dot and hit enter. As you can see, I'm now inside the project 1 folder. You can close the welcome screen. Here you can create your project file. So click this new file icon. Now you can name your project file and give the right extension. In this case, .py for Python files. Now I'm gonna create a new virtual environment to eliminate any conflicts with other installs. So to create virtual environment, we are going to use terminal window. So activate your terminal, click this terminal tab. Now choose new terminal. If you want to choose your terminal type, you can choose from here by clicking this little down arrow key. Now to create a new virtual environment, type Python space -m space venv space name of your virtual environment. You can see here at the bottom there is a small notification pop up. If you got a notification, then click yes. As you can see, my virtual environment has been created. Now, in order to work with the virtual environment, first it needs to be activated. So go to your virtual environment folder, open it. Now open scripts folder. Now to activate the virtual environment, you need to run one of these two files, activate.path file or activate.ps1 file. Since I'm using the Windows command line, I'm going to fire this activate.path file. So right click on it and select copy relative path. Now on your terminal, right click and that will paste the file path. Now press enter. As you can see, the virtual environment is now activated. Now to install Pandas, I'm going to use pip package manager. If you have installed Conda globally on your system, you can use Conda as well. Now you need to restart your Visual Studio Code in order the installation to take effect. So I'm gonna restart my VS Code and will be back again. Now to test if Pandas was installed successfully or not, first I'm gonna import Pandas. Then I'm gonna copy and paste my test script I have prepared for this tutorial. Now if I run this test script, as you can see, Pandas was installed successfully on my system. Thank you for watching.